Iran complied with all the stipulations of the IAEA safeguards agreement, but there are certain concerns. The IAEA Director General, in his statement, he has pointed out that there are certain contentious issues where Iran has not come clear. There are a lot of gray zones out there. There are also some of these, uranium particles which have been found in, certain NATAs and some other nuclear facilities, which needs further clarifications because these isotopes that have been found, they are still under certain gray zones, and they require clarity whether they are particles from the uranium, enriched uranium of bomb making, capability, or is it something else? So what is important out here is that Iran comes clean. It cooperates suitably with the IAEA requirements, which, as the IAEA Director General has said, level of cooperation has not yet been suitable enough. So Iran should come clear on these aspects. That should, settle the matter. And that is why the diplomatic talks that were ongoing this before the sixth round take place in Oman, we had this Israel launched strikes on Iran. At that point of time, this question would not have been appropriate that Iran was trying to take some leverage out of its nuclear program. But now, with the chain of events that have taken place, including the US strikes on Iran, there are certain leverages that Iran can basically, look into that point of aspect.